It's so great to see that blue sky and sunshine peeking through. Yesterday was a bit of a gray day, and the morning started out that way. It's nice to get some sun here in Fargo and in other parts of the valley, some of the same places that were stuck under the clouds yesterday. And we have had a little bit of snow moving through, and if we have any left, it's underneath these clouds that are still departing the valley here. We're looking at your visible satellite map and your radar too. And where you see the white that's moving, that's cloud cover working its way eastward. And the stationary area of white, that's the snowpack, and you can actually make out parts of the Cheyenne River Valley there in Barnes County. So we've got some clearing skies and some sunshine, and that will help things along as far as melting is concerned, along with some warmer temperatures too, and not much heading our way at all here as we are looking westward. Snow over Minneapolis and heading along I-35 toward Duluth as well, seeing some snow there. Here's a look at our temperatures above freezing now. 36 degrees in Fargo, 35 in Grand Forks. We're at 28 degrees in Boston and 35 over in Jamestown. Nice to have those temperatures finally climbing above freezing. It's been a while since we've seen some above freezing temperatures, and wind speeds are picking up just a little since this morning. We've got wind speeds into the teens, but that's as high as they're going right now out of the west or south, or a combination of the two. So heading into the rest of the afternoon, that cloud deck is clearing. There may still be a couple of flurries or light snow showers underneath that, especially up around Red Lake and Lake of the Woods. Getting into tonight, temperatures staying pretty mild, even around the 7 o'clock hour. We're looking at some 30s to around 40 degrees. And as we head into the evening hours after sunset, any leftover cloud cover departs, and we're looking at some fog starting to develop. It's kind of that gray area you see on the map here. With all that melting happening, all that moisture in place, that's going to allow some of that to condense into some fog as our wind quiets down overnight and we clear out and those temperatures drop. So watch out for that tomorrow morning. We're going to have some low visibility in those areas, and as temperatures drop below freezing, we have concerns about some freezing fog, so some slick spots and frost on those roads to watch out for too for your morning drive. Temperatures not quite as warm as today, but still not too bad. Some 20s to start off tomorrow with pretty quiet conditions as we progress through the morning hours. Now I've stopped the clock at noon, and we've got our next system moving in. The potential for all modes of weather here. We're looking at some snow, some rain, some freezing rain, some sleet here with this system. The farther north you are, the more likely you're going to be picking up snow, and the farther south, the better bet for some rain. And in between, we've got kind of a mess and a situation that we're going to have to monitor for some slushy conditions and tough road travel or travel on those roads here as we get into tomorrow night as those temperatures start to drop below freezing. But then, of course, we'll be dealing with some snow up in the northern end of the valley that you'll have to drive through as well. So this is going to be impactful here. It might not be as strong as the other system that's going to be moving through the upper Midwest later in the week, but still one that will affect us here in the valley. Where if you do get snow, where we've seen that snow fall, we're looking at anywhere from about 1 inch to 3, maybe even 4 inches of snow in a couple of spots. Here's a look at your hourly planner, or your 7-day planner rather. We're looking at snowfall for tomorrow again, and rain, and then ahead for Friday. That's that big system that we've been talking about. Little by little, the models have been trending south. So that means that less and less chance for some snow up in the northern valley. Southern valley's kind of on the edge of it right now too. So again, this is several days away, so that could all change. But right now the trend is to try to get that system a little bit farther south of us. I think a lot of people would like to see that.
I hope that happens.
Yeah, we'll of course be continuing to monitor for you and update how these models are looking as this system gets closer.
Sounds great. Thank you, Lisa.